Welcome to John's Jeep Garage Off-Road Recovery Videos. This is a short video about a trip we took to San Luis Pass, Texas. Now the weather changes daily out here, and sometimes you can find hazards in the water holes or deep sand, and a lot of people who fish in the back areas find a lot of mud. But this time we found a Mercedes van alone because there wasn't a lot of activity on the beach. When we looked underneath, basically the only place we could go to was the large control arms on the inside of each tire. So we used straps to secure and make sure that we had nothing looser in the way. He was stuck independently, but not too deep. So we were going to orchestrate a slow pull. Communication is key, and one of the things I always tell the drivers is, look, I'm going to hit the horn 3 times. And then once I do that, I want you to keep it in drive and go with me. I didn't want to have an aggressive pull with this vehicle, so I call it a soft pull. So once we hit the horn, I just needed him to keep following behind me. One thing about the sand is that once you get going, you don't want to stop. So it's important that as you're pulling, he's driving and just following my path. And then 2 blows of the horn, my style, is the signal that we're about to stop. A kinetic rope is the only way to really do this without damaging any vehicle or parts. We're using a Yankum rope, and as this person's heading home, we're going to switch over and just show you some examples of different type of pulls that we use. So when you got a truck that's stuck and you got tow points, I can just do a strong, steady pull and he'll pop right out. When I have a heavy load though, let's say something with a trailer or maybe stuck in a larger hole, I'm going to back it up and then get a running start and allow that kinetic rope to stretch and let the stored energy, as the rope contracts, exert its energy in conjunction with the pulling force of the truck. Thank you for watching. It was a quick video, and please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.